Count one, partner, family member assault, third or subsequent. That's a felony. It's a violation of Montana Code annotated 455206. You're looking at a maximum 5 years in the Montana State Prison and not less than 30 days. A fine of a maximum of $50,000 and not less than $500. You've also been charged with count two, unlawful restraint. That's a misdemeanor. It's a violation of Montana Code annotated 455301. That's a maximum 6 months in the Missoula County Jail and a maximum $500 fine. You're also charged with count three, aggravated assault, bodily injury. That's a felony. You're looking at a maximum possible 20 years in the Montana State Prison and a maximum possible $50,000 fine. You're charged with count four, kidnapping. It's a felony. It's a violation of 455302. That is a maximum 10 years in the Montana State Prison and not less than 2 years there, and a maximum possible $50,000 fine. You're also charged with count five, assault with a weapon. It's a felony. It's a violation of 455213. That is punishable by a maximum 20 years in the Montana State Prison and a maximum fine of $50,000. Okay, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and did you heard the rights I read earlier, correct?
Right.
Do you understand those?
Yes, I do.
Okay, any questions?
Yes.
Okay, what are your questions?
I was wondering if I have put you medical, physical, and mental needs that need to be met.
Oh, okay, well, backing up just a second. Do you have any questions about the rights I read earlier? Your right to remain silent and all that? Okay, well, let's just get it. We have to go through this step by step, okay? Okay. Do you understand the possible penalties involved in these charges?
Yes.
Okay, now, do you want the court to appoint the public defender's office, or do you want to hire your own attorney?
Public Defender's Office, Your Honor.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let's set this for preliminary hearing on October 12 at 4 p.m. October 12th, is that a holiday? How about we go with October 14th? State wish to be heard about bond?
Yes, Your Honor, the state is requesting bond be set in the amount of $100,000. This event took place in August. Most of the events, however, on the 26th of September, a city police officer responded to the address for a report of burglary in progress. Upon arrival, the officer met the victim in this case, who stated that her boyfriend, the defendant, was trying to enter her house but ran away when he heard the sirens. The victim then reported about an incident that occurred on August 14th, where the defendant struck her multiple times with different objects, including a quart-sized pan. He also tied her up and held a box cutter to her throat, Your Honor. The state is asking that should the defendant be released or otherwise post bond, we'd ask for standard conditions, no contact with the victim, whose initials are identified by AW, I believe. That the defendant be restrained from the home 2405 Macintosh Loop number 13. You have no contact with the child that they share. No weapons, no drugs, alcohol, or bars.
Okay. Anything from the defense?